draw a beautiful shark. But if you open it, you will see a scary shark. Let's see how to do it. Come on, let's get started. Zoom in.
A4 size paper and fold it into equal half. Then take the bottom part and fold it till the top. Now flip it over. Take the bottom part and crease it well. Now unfold it, flip it, and now let's start drawing.
Now take your stick pen or pen, pencil, marker, anything, and just draw one U, one small U. And draw one fin, some little eyes, put one circle inside, and draw another one. Okay, I finished coloring this side. I'll color this one right now. And now let's just draw the nostrils. Draw the bottom fin like this at the corner. Okay, and now open it and you will get one large one. Just from the top, go down. Be careful while doing this. This is super scary. Okay, now from here, go right here, go up. Okay. Now just draw one line right here, another one right here. Okay, now let's just connect it to the bottom line. Go from the bottom to the top. Top to bottom, repeat the same thing. Okay, now let's draw the teeth, large teeth. Let's just draw the large teeth like this. Okay, and now we will draw one heart shape. It's exactly not a heart, but draw like this, and one like this, one new type of thing. And now let's just add the fishes or the sea plants, anything you want. Okay, I'll be drawing some simple dimple fishes. Lord fish. You can draw the clams, the pearls. You can draw anything using your own imaginations. You just no need to copy all my things. I'll draw one fish right here at the top. And different poses will look nice. Your drawing will look nice. And now it's time for the coloring. I will time lapse the coloring part, and if the video is going a lot slow, a lot fast, you can just pause the video. So the colors that you need are blue, dark blue, light red, dark red, bright yellow, and concrete gray. And I will be time lapsing the coloring part. Ready. Let's see what surprise he gets. Cute shark, the scary shark.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to World of Fire.